Hello student, today I am going to teach you the new chapter, chapter number 9, Madam Ride the Bus. In this lesson, writer just explained a character of 8 years old girl whose name was Walle Mai or Walle. Now I am going to explain the summary of this lesson. It means I I am just going to summarize the lesson. So just listen carefully the summary of this lesson. In this lesson, Walimai, who was an 8 years old girl, just standing at in front of the doorway of her house, and from there she watched the children to play in the street, and also she watched the bus and the passengers who travels between her village and the nearest town. She has no playmates in her street to play. That is why she just stand there and watch the children play. She was fascinating. She was fascinating to see the people in the street, to see the bus, and she was more fascinating to see the different type of passengers. And in the corner of her heart, her desires rose. She desires to take journey through the bus. It gave her undying joy to watch the bus with new sets of passengers every day. She became very happy to see the new sets of passengers every day. Slowly, her fascination turned to wish. It means she started to desire to travel by bus. She hardly want to travel. That is why a little girl Wally started to make plan, and she also collect more information about the journey of bus, and also she talked with the passenger to collect more information about the bus. She finally, through the passengers, she knew that she need 30 passes to travel by bus in one side, and again she needs 30 more to return from other sides. It means she needs 60 passes. And also through the passenger, she knew that from one side the bus took 45 minutes to reach the town. And at the same time, the bus returned to her village. In this way, she calculated the time management, and also she collected enough money to return from bus. Then after she start collecting money, she took money, and whenever she found any coins to buy anything, she controlled his greediness. She started to buy peppermints. She started to buy toys. She started to buy balloons as well as all the small things. She controlled her desire so that she can set 60 paces. Her only desire to save 60 paces. Then after she thought about her mother. She knew that her mother used to sleep daily after lunch from 1 p.m. to almost 4 p.m. It means there were 3 hours. During these 3 hours, she has to manage her journey. So finally, she decided that this was the best time to travel by bus and return safely from town because she did not know anyone know about her journey. She silently want to travel by bus. Then after collecting money and she managed time, she finally decided to reach in one place where she could get the bus easily. That is the outside of the village. There she stood and tried to give the signal to stop the bus. Conductor just stopped the bus to think that some other passengers were also waiting him. And but he saw that the Wally tried to enter in the bus. She tried to support her, but she refused him to take his support and said that she was able to get on the bus easily. And when she entered in the bus, she found that the bus was shining. The bus was much shining. She also found a clock in front of the bus, and when she found a comfortable seat, she became happy to see everything. She became more fascinating to see the things. At last, she stood up and devoured everything with her eyes. What type of scene? Like canal, moving palm trees, mountain, green field, speak of train that grew, that that grew.